Honey, where were you last night? I tried calling you, but your phone was off.
I'm sorry, dear. I had to work a double shift duty last night.
This is the first time I've heard about such a shift. Why didn't this happen before?
It was because of an urgent consignment that needed to be delivered to a customer. We were already running late, so I had to stay and work late.
Oh, I see. But why was your cell phone off?
My phone battery died, and there was no charger available in the office for my mobile.
All right, but I tried calling the landline at your office, and no one answered.
The staff member who usually answers the landline was off that night.
I'm sorry if it seemed like I was questioning you. I just got worried. You work so hard, and instead of giving you credit, I started complaining.
It's all right, sweetheart. I understand your concern. I appreciate your support. Please, go ahead with your questions.
There's one more thing. John's wife mentioned that you and John were at a party last night. What can you tell me about that?
I don't want to hide anything from you, honey. But sometimes, you seem strict with me. It was actually David's bachelor party, just with his male friends.
I understand, and I'm sorry if I came across as strict. I should be more open with you, so our trust and relationship aren't affected. Let's work on that together.
Thank you for understanding, dear. Let's promise to be more open and honest with each other from now on.
I appreciate your honesty, and I'm sorry for any misunderstandings. I love you, and I want us to have a strong and trusting relationship.
You know, dear, we should talk about our future plans and goals. I want us to be on the same page.
That sounds like a great idea. I've always wanted to travel more, and maybe we could start planning some trips together.
That sounds wonderful. And I've been thinking about our dream home. Let's discuss what kind of house we want to build.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.